From nothing but white to actually seeing the asphalt. What a difference 24 hours makes. But some roads took not one, not two, not three, but 4 people behind the bumper.
Can't just walk by and not try, ask for help at least.
Levy Santel is in the middle, pushing this Camaro through the snow.
1, 2, 3.
Finally gaining some traction. They were able to plow through the powder.
But that was a good workout.
Some folks didn't even want to take the chance.
I tried earlier, it's just I couldn't get out of the driveway.
Greg Holland quickly realized his small sedan would end up in a similar situation and took the safe way to the convenience store. How far of a walk was it to the Easy Mart?
2 miles maybe.
He did find the roads were almost as dangerous on foot as 4 wheels.
So I just slipped and fell, so.
As he takes his final steps back home,
This is where I'm going.
he says there was one thing that made the trek all worth it.
But the person in front of me bought my coffee. So that was really nice.
Very nice. We are actually trying to turn and show you some of these residential areas. You can see it gets a little dicey, very slick, very fast, so you definitely want to try to stay in if you can. I do understand, people do have to get out just like us. It got a lot better once we got through that turn, you can see. But again, stay home if you can. We're actually about to head in as well, but stay updated with us on air and online, and check out iDrive before you hit the roads. Reporting live in Little Rock, I'm Claire Kreitz. Back to you.
All right, Claire.